We all want to save some tokens, whether it is AI assisted coding or LLM chat completion calls. Wherever we use LLM based AI engineering, we want to save some tokens. Today, I'll show you a tool which helps you compress the context that you pass to the large language models and without compromising the result so that you save your tokens. So let's see a tool called Headroom. This claims to have algorithms which can compress the context that you pass to the large language model so you save some tokens. Let's first see how this works. It works in 3-stage pipeline. First, there is a CacheAligner. So basically it extracts dynamic content so that we can cache those things for each request. Then there is ContentRouter. It inspects the tool output and route it to the optimal compressor so that the compression is best without affecting the results. Then the last part is IntelligentContext, where the context is compressed without losing any accuracy. So let's do one thing very quickly. Let's run a small demo here and see how it works. I have set up everything in my Visual Studio Code. There are two applications, or there are two stages basically in which you do the context compression. The first thing you need to do is you need to run a server, Headroom AI proxy server, which runs a basic API, and then from the client you can throw request on the API and it will compress the content. So for that, what I'll do is that in this proxy server I have just initialized a new Python project with UV, created my virtual environment and added this Headroom AI proxy package into that. So now what I'll do is that I'll go to that server and I'll say UV run Headroom proxy -- port 8787. When I do that, it will start the Headroom server here, and here are a couple of endpoints. Now in the second folder, main app folder, I have again initialized a project and written a few amount of code. So I have first imported a couple of packages, and this is to read my environment file, and in my environment file I have OpenAI API key. Now let's say this is my context. Okay, these are my messages. This is my system message. This is the user's query. Then this is the tool call. My bad. Yeah, this is the tool call, and this is the tool output. And the final thing, another user's message. So this Headroom has a compressed API. It takes messages and the model for which you want to compress the messages, and there are a couple of other arguments as well. This result will hold the compressed messages for this particular model and couple of other information with it. Now what you can do is that you can create your client, and when you do chat completion call, you just pass your messages from the result, not from the original uncompressed messages. And when you do that, the application works same, but you will save some tokens. And let's see how much tokens we save. What I'll do is that I'll run the main.py file. My bad, not in the proxy server, but in the main app. I'll just come out, and now here I'll say UV run main.py, and when I do that, hopefully, yeah, when I do that, Let me just, okay, I can see it. I hope you all see that. So here the chat completion result. Okay, this is my chat completion result up to this part. Now here in the down section we are seeing how much token we have saved and what different routers were used to compress the messages. Actual tokens were 11,000. After compression it like reduced about 50%, about 5500, and the transformation used these routers, protected user message, again protected user message because there are two user messages, and there is a smart crusher algorithm with 0.25 compression ratio. So this is how it has compressed the information and we did not lose in accuracy. This Headroom API is really useful. Consider a scenario where you want to generate a title for your chat. What you can do is that wrap that API around this compression and boom, you don't have to change anything. You just add a couple of lines and you are good to go, and you will save the tokens. And consider a scenario where millions of requests are being served. See how much tokens you can save there. Finally, this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this. If you do so, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. I appreciate you watching till the end. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.